Hey everyone, I hope you're all feeling great today. My topic for today is procrastination. A lot of you guys might know what procrastination means, but for you guys who doesn't know, procrastination is a term in psychology that involves delaying or avoidance of an action. This implies the focus to be transferred to other actions and that lead you to not carry out your original work. This can actually be very stressful and you know it can give you guilt, conscience, and diminished productivity. So what to do about it, right? I've made a list which might help you. It has definitely helped me. Let us just get started. So the first step is to ask yourself, why do I procrastinate? Because you want to know where you stand, and you want to know what solution you want to give this problem. So before you can give a solution, you have to know the problem. Is it because that what you're about to do is boring? Is it because that is too complicated, too difficult? And if it's chronic procrastination, it could be a sign of depression. So you might talk to a doctor about it. So as you can see, there can be many reasons why you procrastinate. Step 2 is to set a time. Set a time to when you're going to do what you really want to do. And you also want to be sure that the place you're going to do it is going to be a place where you are not going to be disturbed. You should give it enough time, set enough time for it. You want to know how long you want to do it, or how long you think it's going to be, so you know how much time you want to put it in. Step 3 is to, when the time comes, just do it. Forget about everything else. Just sit and get it done. You might turn off devices, or put it on vibrate, or put it on silence, so that you can concentrate better. And I know this step is the hardest step, but it's better for you to start than not start at all. So step 4 is to not think about what you can't do, but what you can do. If you think about what you can't do, you can easily get lost. Here's an example. If you have to do a lot of work today, and you start to think about how much you have to do today, and it's too much, you might think that you can't do it all today, and therefore you give up. And because it's not realistic, and therefore you give up. So it's better to start somewhere. Start to do your homework, or start to do something, and do what you can. And in the end of the day, you can see how much you have done, and that's better than to give up. The importance of this is to get started. That's the whole problem about procrastination. It's just to get started. So just start somewhere, and at the end of the day, you can see how much you have made, and that's better than if you haven't done anything. So that's my advice of procrastination. It has helped me. So I hope this advice was good to you, and I hope they've helped you. And if it has, I really want to know. And if it hasn't, comment below if you have some things to add, comments, and like this video. Yeah, so I wish you all a great day. Bye.